Hi everybody, welcome to this new tech unboxing. Today I'm opening the Xiaomi Mi Smart LED Desk Lamp Pro. So let's get right into it and just open it. What makes this lamp special is that I can change the color temperature, the brightness and all of this from my phone actually. Unfortunately it's not sponsored, but it came very well packaged and very secure actually, so it won't break in the shipping. So the box itself, it is actually big I would say, but it's mostly air, as you can see here. So we get instructions as always, some warranty which we hopefully won't be needing, and now comes the important part. We have the wall adapter with an adapter, so the tip is interchangeable, and depending on the country I hope they will send the different ones so it fits to your country. And finally we have the lamp itself. The design is very minimalist and most of it is made of aluminum and matte white. I can move it around in a lot of different directions and control every light adjustment from this little knob, which gives me more control over the slightest adjustments. Of course, after taking the tape off, I will show you the light of it. Because of the recording settings, I won't be able to show it to you that precisely, but just look at it. It is very bright, 700 lumens, and you can see here the color temperature changing from the knob. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you on the next one.